Welcome to Naradar Academy. In this video, I am going to explain what is a differential equation and how to find its order and degree. The differential equation means it's an equation which contains one unknown function and its derivatives. Okay. So if y is an unknown function, then its derivatives are dy by dx, d square y by dx square, d cube y by dx cube, and so on. So if there is an equation which contains the unknown function and some of its derivatives, it is called an differential equation. So let's see some examples. Dy by dx plus 5y equal to 6x. In this equation, y and first derivative dy by dx are there. So this is a differential equation. The another one is d square y by dx square plus 7 dy by dx plus 10y equal to e power x. Here y is the unknown function, dy by dx is the first order derivative, d square y by dx square is the second order derivative. So this is called differential equation. Next, we are going to see about order and degree of differential equation. Before that, we know what is a polynomial equation. Okay, polynomial equation means it's an equation containing x and powers of x. So look at this equation, x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. This equation contains x term, x square term and x cube term. The highest degree of x occurring in this equation is 3. So we say this is a cubic polynomial or polynomial of degree 3. So in polynomials, we identify the degree of the polynomial with the highest power of x. Okay. So here it is 3, third degree polynomial, or we say it's a cubic polynomial. In the same way, this is how we identify the polynomial equations. In the same way, we have two things for differential equation. One is order, the another one is degree. Order is nothing but order of the highest derivative which occur in that particular equation. Okay, order of the highest derivative. That means if you have dy by dx, that is the first order derivative. If you have d square y by dx square, it is the second order derivative. So look at the given equation and look at the highest order derivative occurring in that one. That is called order of the equation. Okay, the next one is degree. Degree means the degree of the highest order derivative. In the previous step, you say order is nothing but order of the highest derivative. Degree is nothing but degree of the highest derivative. Let's see some examples. The first one is dy by dx plus 5y equal to 6x. Here y and dy by dx terms are there. This is the unknown function and this is the only derivative occurring in this equation. This dy by dx is the first order derivative. So this equation is of order 1. Okay, because only first order derivative is there. So this is of order 1. For finding the degree, this is the order term you have selected no. So for this, look at the power. The power of this equation, the power of this term is equal to 1. So the degree of this equation is also equal to 1. So identify the highest order, that is the order, and the highest order terms power is called the degree of the equation. Okay. Let's see another example. D square y by dx square plus 7 dy by dx plus 10y equal to e power x. Here we have y, dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So this is the first order derivative and this is the second order derivative. So which is the highest order? D square y by dx square. So this is the highest order present in this equation. So order of this equation is equal to 2. And this highest order is having power 1. So the degree of this equation is also equal to 1. Okay. Order is highest order derivative and its degree is called the degree of the equation. One more example. D power 4y by dx power 4 plus d cube y by dx cube plus 7 into dy by dx the whole square plus 8y equal to x. So in this equation we have y, dy by dx, d cube y by dx cube and d power 4y by dx power 4. This is the first order derivative. Dy by dx is the first order derivative. This is third order derivative. This is fourth order derivative. So the highest order is 4. So order of this equation is equal to 4. And for finding the degree of the equation, you have to look at the power of this term. This is the highest order, no? This term is having power 1. So degree of this equation equal to 1. Okay. So now look at this equation again. Here we have dy by dx the whole square. So this is of degree 2. Okay. But this is not the degree of the equation. You have to choose the order as the highest derivative, and the highest derivative's power is called the degree of the equation. So the degree of the equation is 1, not 2. Okay, you should not select this term because this is not the highest derivative. Highest order derivative is only this one. So this is having power 1. So degree of the equation is equal to 1. Okay, let's see one more example. 1 plus dy by dx the whole square, the whole to the power of 3 by 2 equal to d square y by dx square. When you have equations of this type, that is having fractional power, see this is of power 3 by 2. When you have powers in fraction form, first you have to eliminate it. After that only you have to find the order and degree. So for eliminating this power, I am going to square the equation on both sides. So I will get 1 plus dy by dx the whole square whole to the power of 3. By squaring this, power 1 by 2 will get cancelled. Okay. So equal to d square y by dx square the whole to the power of 2. Okay, I am squaring this equation, so I am getting it as 2. So now this equation contains this equation. Now we have to look at this equation only. Don't go for the previous one. Now in this equation, this is the first order derivative and this is the second order derivative. So the order of this equation is 2 because second order derivative is present here. And for degree, this is the second order derivative, no? So this is of power 2. So the degree of this equation is equal to 2. You should not look at this 3 because this is the degree for what? This is not the degree for highest order. The highest order derivative is having power 2. So the degree of this equation is equal to 2. So what are the things we have discussed in this class? First one is what is a differential equation and how to find its order and degree. Order of the equation is nothing but order of the highest derivative and degree is nothing but degree of the highest derivative. Before finding the degree of the equation, you have to be careful that that particular equation is not having any fractional powers. If you have any fractional powers, you have to remove the fractional power first and then you have to find the degree of the equation. That's all. Thank you.